Hello everyone, welcome back to Every Channel with Paris. Future is now. This past week is Golden Week in Japan, so means a lot of time is spent with family and friends. We also visit some family-friendly places like this one, Hana-Biyori. It's a beautiful Japanese garden / greenhouse flower shop. The next to Tokyo's amusement park, Yomiuri land. But I didn't expect to see a 10-minute projection mapping before we enter the main flower shop. So as you can see in this big warehouse, they have all these real flowers hanging around, and there's a 400 years old tree in the center, and every hour they will show a 10-minute project mapping show. So let me show you what it looked like. So this content of projection mapping is based on Impressionism with art of Monet, Van Gogh, and Renoir, and ended with collage of flowers by all these artists. After seeing the show and the curtain will slowly open up, you will see the light comes in and you'll be guided to this big flower shop that's full of plants and aquarium, exotic fish, and a fancy Starbucks there. Trust me, it's a really different level when your emotions brought up by all these artsy animations you have seen. At that moment, it's not just about looking at flowers. I really want to own one and bring it home.
What?
Vegetable.
You can grow?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god! That is adorable!
I often ask myself why it is so easy to spend money in Japan. I think it's because art is everywhere, and they often use technology to make art very accessible to everyone. So at the end of the time, whenever you go out, you want to bring that piece of beauty with you. In this channel, I really want to introduce all this inspiring content that created in Japan and share with you guys to see how creativity become the glue that keeps many sectors working together. I believe it is the contributor for economic growth. It is contributor for bringing everyone together. And I really want to know what you think. What kind of experience you like. I hope you enjoy this beautiful view and inspiring art projection mapping. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, any comments on what kind of experience you like, please comment on our video. Please subscribe our channel for new updates every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.